guys, this is Cassie from and Sublimation. In today's video, we want to introduce our newly launched Sublimation linen shopping bags collections. We have a many size available. In this video, just choose two of them to show you the material quality and the printing process. And for our new collection of linen shopping bags, they are made of high quality material, and they are eco-friendly and also reusable. And also they are great for many occasions. You can use them as a bags to carry your groceries, cosmetics, and books, or any other items you like. If you go to travel, you can also carry this kind of bag. Yeah, and in this video, we will show you the printing process step by step, because all of them will has the white printing arrow for you to personalize any pattern or design you like. Yeah, and after sublimation, it will become really unique and personalized shopping bags. You cannot find them in other markets. It is made of linen and canvas material, so it is durable and with two strong handles. You can see it's very sturdy, and you can use it to hold some heavy stuffs sometimes. And also it's very lightweight to carry it. We have this collection available in multiple sizes, so it can meet your different needs for different occasions. You can use it to carry books, groceries, clothes, any items. And most importantly, the white arrow is for you to sublimate the design. And we will show you the printing process later. And also, when you not use the bags, you can hold them into flat, so you can carry them in your other bags. It takes up little space, so it is very portable and eco-friendly and reusable. And so now we are going to print this linen shopping bag. You will need to print your design on the sublimation paper first. Yeah, and we choose this design, and we will fix this design on the back. In order to get a better printing effect, we advise to add a cardboard pad or any other protective pad into the bags. In this way, you can make the printing area higher. And also, it can protect the bags. And for the temperature and time, we will use 195 degrees Celsius and for 70 seconds. personalized shopping bags, and it has two compartments. This space can for you to put some small stuffs. And we have some other styles. If you want to know what styles we supply, feel free to